What is going on, guys? Steve from Dude Stuff here. Now this is the Neon Titan X pit bike by Quad Warehouse. I've recently done a full video review on this bike. Check it out on my YouTube channel on Dude Stuff. I have to say this is a awesome little e-bike. I had loads of fun on it. It's got a powerful 2000 watt brushless motor, which is much more powerful than what you usually get on these electric pit bikes. They're normally like a 1000 watt or 1500 watt motor. You've got a 2000 watt brushless motor. The battery again is much more powerful. It's a massive selling point on this. You're getting 60 volts, which is the same as a lot of standard Surons. 60 volt battery, 20 amp hour lithium battery. Really good spec for the money. Under this little flap you've got speed and power control dials, so you can lock that. So if you've got young children from like 10 years up, they can ride this bike safely with a suitable power level. This will work with anyone from about 10 years all the way up to adults. And the value on this one is absolutely fantastic. I had loads of fun reviewing this bike. If you want to see the full video review of me riding this thing, check out my videos on Dude Stuff. Also, apart from being an absolute bargain price, Quad Warehouse are offering free assembly and free shipping, which most companies normally charge a fair amount of money for. So you're getting a powerful bike, bargain price. They've got sweet customer service. Tristan and the guys down at Quad Warehouse, really nice bunch of guys. This thing's going to suit anyone, guys, so don't hesitate to jump on it. Check out the full video review on my channel, and I'll speak to you guys soon. Take it easy.